Target language text formatting. Let's take a look at the available formatting options within the target language panel. In the bottom left-hand corner of each target text segment is the formatting options symbol. Clicking on it will open up a toolbar with 6 different functions that allow you to format your text. Though the formatting in the source text is transferred over to the target text, there are cases where you need more flexibility. Take, for example, when you need a special character. Special linguistic characters and things like the trademark symbol are not bound to the keyboard. In this panel, you can easily add them to your text with just a few clicks. This target text may require German quotation marks, so click on them and hit the Insert button. The characters are entered wherever your cursor is, and from there you can move them to where you need them. You can also make other symbols available in this panel. Click on the Edit icon to open the Manage Characters panel. You can copy characters from anywhere, but you are given 2 helpful links where you can look them up. Go to the site and find the desired character by opening the PDF file. Once you've copied the desired character, you can either paste the character directly into the segment as a one-off solution, or paste it into the Character Manager for future reference. It will then appear as a button in the same position as it was pasted. And now you have your custom character available whenever needed. You can add and remove any characters to make sure that this panel is the most useful for your specific purposes. This can depend on the languages you work in or the subject matter. You can also format the text without using tags. The formatting symbols, which are also assigned hotkeys, are the same ones you know from other word processing software. To apply custom formatting, highlight your text and just click on the button, like B for bold or I for italics. Of course, you can always apply multiple formatting options at the same time. The last button on the bar, the arrow, allows you to manage your super and subscripting. Just highlight your text and then click on the button to open up a context menu with the 2 options. All of these changes will be visible in the final document, just the same way that they are here. This is helpful when your formatting varies from the source text, but you don't want a QA to throw errors at the extra tags. Should you wish to use tags to format your text anyway, click on the tag symbol in the bar and you will be able to select from all the tags that are also available in the source panel. Simply click on the desired tag to add it to your cursor position and drag and drop to move it.